December 8th. This is the day that I had my daughter's christening, 98. But it's 2022. There we go. Cats won't let me go to the bathroom by myself. Scratching it and acting like fools, my beautiful babies. It's a miracle the tree is still up. Looks very grainy tonight. And of course, Soul is under the tree. Hello, beautiful, big, happy orb. We're busy in here tonight. Let's see what's going on in the bathroom and why I am not allowed to go to the bathroom alone according to my cats. Can't sleep in the bedroom tonight. It's like an icebox. Okay, what's happening in here? Not a whole lot. I just did this floor. Or better yet, Leanne just did this floor. Black. It shows everything. White. It shows everything. Whatever. That aggravates me. That floor. Oh, they promised me to redo my tiles. I'm still waiting. And I'm still waiting for the electric to be fixed in there. The plugs don't work. But they did fix the lights. That's not it. Look at that. They fixed that. And I got a brand new toilet bowl. Wow, it's so grainy. It's windy out. No full moon for me tonight. I live in the Berkshires. They're big tonight. They're big. Hello, beautiful blue. Hello. My tummy hurts, beautiful blue. Feel free. Work your magic. Feel free. And on that note, I gotta continue to charge my phone because, I don't know, battery is not happy tonight. But there are a lot of orbs. And they are moving. Okay. And on that note, I bid you all adieu. Thanks for watching. Be love, be light, be kind, because it matters. Peace to everyone, everywhere. Every time I go to say goodbye, this is it. I think they're coming out of my sleeve. I put my arm up. Same thing happened last night. That was weird at 2:40. That was weird. Put my arm up and they all come flying out. They're inside me. Probably dancing to the soundtrack that is forever in my brain. Alright, I bid you all adieu. Stay safe. Be kind, be love, be light. Thanks for watching. Peace.